Describe an art exhibition that you visited. You should say when you saw this exhibition, where the exhibition was held, what was on display. Explain your impression of the exhibition. Art exhibitions are often organized in our city, Jaipur. Being an avid art lover, I perpetually look forward to attending these exhibitions. One of the major attractions for art lovers in Jaipur is the Mukesh Art Gallery. I've attended lots of exhibitions there. However, one exhibition that I can recollect now is the one that took place in October last year. The exhibition was held in the multipurpose hall on the ground floor of the art gallery building. The exhibition showcased some fantastic art specimens prepared by the local artisans and craftsmen. The exhibition boasted of a curated collection of about 14,000 awe-inspiring paintings, exquisitely framed in different forms and designs. Conjunctively, there was a separate display consisting of around 300 pieces of marble artworks comprising statues, utensils, showpieces, and toys. Not far off was an exhibit promoting the traditional blue pottery and artworks native to Jaipur. This display was particularly enchanting as some of the pottery works were almost 2 to 3 feet long, which is why I even bought some of them for my home interiors. I even found some enticing traditional dresses with exclusive Jaipuri block painting done all over them. I must say, the exhibition not only created an awareness about the traditional arts and crafts of Jaipur, but also elevated the respect that I had for these artisans and craftsmen. Also, the exhibition was very well organized and left a lasting impression on my mind, wanting more of it.